What is up, guys, and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be doing a Tarte unboxing. I placed an order when they had the sale where you get like 7 products, I believe, for $63, which it is normally like $200. I thought it was an awesome deal. I jumped on it. I love Tarte product. If you want to stay tuned and see what I got and see how I feel about the products, go ahead and keep watching. And let's jump right in. Okay, so here's my box. I have not yet opened it. It's been sitting for a couple days. 4th of July weekend. It was a little bit nuts. We got a lot going on. I hope everyone had a good weekend and everyone's staying safe and staying healthy. And without further ado, I think that's like my new thing. Without further ado, here is our unboxing. I do know what's in there, but some of these things I've never had, so. One thing I love about Tarte is all their packaging, literally even like what they sent is always so pretty. I love the little leaves and summer vibes we got going on. It's a little coupon. Don't need that. Open this guy up. Oh man, I forgot about some of the stuff that I got, so this is cool. So this is what my box looks like. I believe it is 7 products in there. I'm just gonna set it on my lap and we'll pull them out as we go. So first I got, it's called the Tartiest Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint. So this is different packaging, but I have one just like this. You guys have probably seen, like I wear the same pretty much color range with all my lipsticks, but this one I have already had. It is in the shade Festival. It is the prettiest like mauve-y pink color. It is I think my favorite lipstick I have. This is the color and this is what it looks like. The one that I have is in my purse at all times. I seriously love, love, love it. It's very similar to this shade, maybe just a little bit darker, but yes, love this. I had to repurchase. I'm running out. My other one's getting old. And Festival, that is my shade. If you've got skin similar to mine, skin tone, it's gonna be your new BFF. I love, love this stuff. With Tarte's matte lip, like other brands I know can get super dry, and I don't feel that way about this one. It doesn't stain your lips, and it just feels so good on, and it stays on. So, quick dry matte lip paint is a good one. Next product, let's see what we have here. Oh, I got a mascara. Okay, so I got the Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. I think I might have gotten a sample from Sephora like a while ago, but I honestly don't remember how it performed. So let's open this guy up. This is the packaging, super sparkly. Like I said, all of their packaging, all of their packaging is so pretty. Like who doesn't? I'm a shopper by looks and by ratings, so this guy has me sold. Wow, it's even prettier in person. Let's see what the wand looks like in here. Okay, so like this. We'll see how it does. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but I will let you guys know probably in my next video. I can give you guys an update on how I feel about the stuff that I have not used. And yeah, Lights, Camera, Lashes. My next product, I got the Tarte Face Tape. So you guys know I love, love, love my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. They have a Face Tape Foundation. To me, it's what I need. So basically, story behind this, my first ever Tarte foundation was this one, and I got it from Sephora, and then when I ran out, I went back to get it again, and they only had the Foundsealer, which I love. I just felt like this one was a tad bit better, but honestly, it's been over a year that I don't really remember, so I'm going to try this out again and refresh my memory and let you guys know how I felt about it. Let's open this up and see what he looks like. I don't know why, I just get so excited. So this is a cute little packaging on this guy. Face Tape Foundation. Definitely got the right shade, so that's exciting. And yeah, this one does have a pump, which I love. I love that. Some of them have like doe foot. This is my favorite. Love the pump. And look, even inside their box, so cute. Yes, Tarte, they know what they are doing. And next, I did get lashes. So like I said, they intimidate me. And I just like, I know that they're gonna complete my look. I just need to build up the courage and practice with these, and then I will be doing them more often. I'm super excited about this. These don't look like too dramatic, which is what freaks me out. I don't want to look like out of control. I want my looks, like I love this, but I feel like this needs lashes. So this guy, next look, I'm going to do lashes, I promise you guys. So what I got, these are the Tartiest Pro. That's like the kind that they are from Tarte, vegan lashes. Do they have, oh, they're in the Goddess. That is the type that they are. Cruelty free. Love that. Love the packaging. And they're not super crazy. They're not too bold. They don't look too long. So excited to try these. I got the Tarte, I believe this was blush. Yes, I got blush. So, Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. Let's open this guy up and see what it looks like, because I honestly don't remember which shade I got. Online is very risky. Shades aren't always what they look like. So, ooh, this looks like a me color. It looks like my lip, can't you tell? So there is a little bit of a shimmer on the packaging. Dazzled is the shade. Dazzled. Ooh, this looks pretty. It's a pretty pinky mauvey color. Looks like there's a little bit of shimmer to it, but not like, some people hate shimmery blushes, but this is like very, very subtle. So I feel like it's gonna look gorgeous. I can't wait to see how this does and let you guys know what I think of it. So Dazzled, Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. So far, I'm loving everything. I'm so excited. Ooh, so I was very happy about this. I think one of my favorites. The eyelashes, I'm super excited to try that. And then this brush. Ooh, okay. So I got this for like bronzing. That was the main reason I got it, because mine just, I needed a new one and I needed something better. It says Setting Superpower Powder Brush. So you could really use it for whatever powder you want. First of all, how cute is this? I'm so excited to do my bronzer with this brush. It is super soft and fluffy, and I love it. I can't wait to just sit it there. Everything I have is black, and this guy's just gonna stand out. Golden pink, it's my kind of look. Oh, it's so soft, you guys. Oh, I can't wait. So that is that, and then last but not least, empty box. I also got, you did get to pick a makeup bag. I just like the simple black, gold, and then a pop of color. Tassels for the zipper, which I think is so, so cute. So all the stuff I got, I can go ahead and put in my new makeup bag. There are no pockets or anything, but just think, I got all of this stuff, which would have been well over $200 for $63. So now I can try all these products for such an amazing price and get some things I needed to, you know, stock up on, and then things that I haven't tried. Gives me a chance to try those things without, you know, risking so much. I love this. I can't wait to tell you guys what I think of everything. Yeah, I'm so excited. I love unboxing, like unboxing videos. I love doing it myself. I had been staring at this box in my kitchen for like forever, so exciting to finally open it. So thank you guys for watching today's video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I've hit 50. For me, that is like a huge thing to think. If I had 50 people in this room, they all want to see what I'm doing. So that is super cool. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Please leave a comment. Please subscribe, share it, do whatever you gotta do. And I will see you guys in my next video.